Hello guys, today in this video, we're going to help you to find out the best massage chairs in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Drones for Kids. TUDELLO RC Mini Drone for Kids and Beginners. RC Quadcopter Indoor with Headless Mode. Small helicopter with 3D flip, auto hovering, and 2 batteries. Great gift for boys and girls. Easy to use and more fun. The drone for kids has the function that can perform toss to launch, circle fly, auto rotation, and 3D flips. Besides, one key taking off / landing and auto hovering function enables this mini drone to take off easily and hover at its current height. The drone is friendly and easy for kids and beginners to control with the throttle stick. User-friendly and more flight time. The altitude hold function enables the mini drone to hover at fixed height stably. Using headless mode, direction is always relative to where pilots face, so that offering carefree fly for kids, beginners, etc. The drone comes with 2-piece batteries, 8 mins for each one, which can extend your fun flight time up to 16 minutes. Number 4. Tizzy Toy Drone with Camera 4K for Adults. Wi-Fi FPV RC Quadcopter with gesture control. 3D flip foldable mini toys gifts for kids beginners with LED lights, headless mode, 1-key start mode. 4K HD camera and PTZ camera. Tizzy Toy Drone has a 4K high-definition camera, which can adjust the angle freely at 90 degrees, and has a wide-angle shooting range of 120 degrees. The picture is transmitted in real time with the phone app. There is a flat layer camera at the bottom that can be viewed from a bird's eye view, and the lens adopts a new generation of zoom technology, which can be used for 50x zoom shooting through the remote control. Front automatic obstacle avoidance. Tizzy Toy Drone can sense whether there are obstacles in the front side, can intelligently avoid obstacles, 60 meters perception, equipped with LED fill light, infrared obstacle avoidance sensor. Number 3. DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo. Ultralight foldable drone. 3-axis gimbal with 4K camera. 12 MP photos, 31 mins flight time. OcuSync 2.0 10 km HE video transmission. Quick shots, gray. Pack light, fly free. At less than 249 grams, it weighs about as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. Compact and convenient, this small drone is your ideal travel companion, transforming how you capture your favorite memories. Max wind speed resistance. 8.5 to 10.5 m/s. Scale 5 operating temperature. 0 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Operating frequency 2.2.4002 4835 GAs, 5.725 5.850 GAs. Max control speed tilt, 100 degrees / shutter speed. Electronic shutter, 4:1/8000. OCUS YNC 2.0 video transmission. Mini 2 supports up to 10 kilometers of video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, giving you the ability to fly farther and see clearer. Number 2. Lulin Drones for Kids with Camera. Mini Drone. Remote Control Quadcopter UAV with 90 degrees adjustable camera. Security guards, FPV, real-time transmission photos and videos. Kid gift idea. Great starter for kids, specially designed for children flying a drone. This video-capable drone is great for kids to learn how to fly a drone. Also, it would be a great gift for a child's birthday or Christmas. Adjustable camera. This kid's drone has an adjustable camera. It can be manually oriented and allows you to easily capture pictures and record video. Get a bird's eye view. The drone has FPV real-time transmission, which means whilst in flight, you can effortlessly view real-time aerial video live via your mobile phone. You will get a full bird's eye view. Safe to play. The drone includes a safety guard on the propellers, which prevents injury from the spinning blades. This drone is safe for kids to use. Number 1. DRC D70 Mini Drone with Camera 720p HD FPV foldable drones, 2 batteries, 1-key start, headless mode, altitude hold, 360 flip drone for kids, toys gifts for kids. Great a company for family. The D70 drone with camera is the perfect choice for beginners, equipped with all the necessary functions to help you take your first steps into the world of camera drones. You can enjoy playing interactive games with your family and create precious memories with this easy-to-use FPV drone. Easy to use, designed with beginners in mind, the D70 mini drone with camera is user-friendly and easy to fly.